Look at all these guys with their laptops just sitting using it as their personal office. I would hate that. Hey! I would hate that. Somebody just doing their homework right there.
A fam na vlogger, dismayado. Starbucks sa Pinas, ginawang personal office. Tila nagpahayag ng pagkadismaya ang Scottish vlogger na si Dale Philip nang mapansin niyang ginagawa raw workplace o opisina ng ilang Pilipinong customers ang isang sikat na coffee shop sa Pilipinas. Iyan daw ang napansin niyang coffee shop culture sa Pinas, bagay na sa ibang bansa ay hindi naman daw ganoon. Ang ibang customers daw kasi na gustong maupo upang uminom ng kape o kumain ay hindi makaupo dahil maraming customers na nakalaptop pa sa mga mesa at kay tagal pang umalis kahit ubos na ang biniling inumin. Anya, look at these guys with their laptops, anya ng vlogger. Just sitting, using it as their personal office. I would hate that. Somebody just doing their homework right there. There's a big queue. I was thinking about getting a matcha frappuccino there, but there was a big queue. Yeah, I would hate to have a business where people just come and use it as their personal office. Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon at komento mula sa mga netizen. The audacity of white people to make a living off of Filipinos while simultaneously criticizing our own culture and social norms. Didn't even bother blurring their faces. Nakakainit ng dugo. Well, wala kang pakialam dahil yan ang coffee shop culture dito sa Pinas. Saka okay lang naman sa coffee shop owners eh. As long as bumibili at may pambili naman, why bother? OMG, louder please, he has a point. Only in the Philippines. Study or work overstay at coffee shop. Ha ha ha. Calling all coffee shops, especially Starbucks. Please address your customers on how much time they should spend inside for free Wi-Fi. 30 minutes until 1 hour is enough. Ha ha ha. Yung iba kasi overstaying. Isa lang binili pero halos maghapon na kung mag-stay. Nakikigamit ng Wi-Fi at makikisaksak pa.